How long does Toyota Prius battery last? The longevity of a Toyota Prius battery, also known as the hybrid or traction battery, is a topic of considerable interest for potential buyers and current owners alike. The lifespan of a Prius battery is influenced by a variety of factors, and understanding these variables can provide valuable insights into what owners might expect. Firstly, it's crucial to recognize that advancements in hybrid technology have evolved over the years, leading to improvements in battery design and performance. Different Prius models, spanning multiple generations, may feature variations in battery technology. Newer models often benefit from enhanced battery technologies, potentially offering longer life compared to their predecessors. The driving conditions play a pivotal role in determining how well a Prius battery holds up over time. The stop-and-go nature of city driving, which allows for frequent engagement of regenerative braking, can be less demanding on the battery compared to constant high-speed highway driving. Additionally, the maintenance of the hybrid system is a key factor. Adhering to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, including regular checks of the hybrid components, contributes to the overall health and longevity of the battery. Climate is another influential factor. Extreme temperatures, whether excessively hot or cold, can impact the battery's performance and longevity. High temperatures can accelerate chemical reactions within the battery, potentially leading to faster degradation, while extreme cold can reduce the efficiency of the battery. Consequently, the region in which the Prius is primarily driven can have a significant impact on the battery's lifespan. Individual driving habits and patterns also contribute to battery life. The frequency of complete discharges and recharges, as well as the depth of discharge, can affect the overall health of the battery. While hybrid systems are designed to manage these factors efficiently, conscientious driving practices can further optimize battery performance. Owners often wonder about the expected lifespan of a Prius battery, and anecdotal evidence suggests that many Toyota hybrid batteries endure well beyond 150,000 miles. Some dedicated Prius enthusiasts even report surpassing the 200,000-mile mark with their original batteries. However, it's essential to note that, like any automotive component, the hybrid battery is a wear item that will eventually require replacement. If specific concerns or questions arise regarding the battery life of a particular Prius model, consulting the owner's manual for model-specific information or seeking guidance from a Toyota dealership is advisable. Staying informed about advancements in hybrid technology and following best practices for maintenance and driving habits contribute to maximizing the lifespan and efficiency of the Prius battery.